Hi guys, follow me on Instagram to never ever miss any of my crazy updates. Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. Standing between two Mahindra Thars right now, going to drive two Tatas. Yeah, that's right, the Safari or the Gravitas or whatever you want to call it. Actually the drive started today morning at 5:30. Right now the time is almost 8 o'clock. Call me lazy for sleeping so much, but yes, now I'm going to go and drive both the cars, make a vlog on it, and of course then come back and sleep because I feel so sleepy. I hardly slept at night. I don't know what is wrong with me. My timetable has gone for a complete toss. Of course I've been driving the Thar petrol since some time right now, and I love the M Stallion engine. It is phenomenal. Reached the shoot right now and there are two Safaris, two tracking cars, and of course the Thar is also here. There is Dhanil who's eating nuts. What's with nuts?
Trying to go nuts.
Who's nuts? I mean, what kind of nuts? Almonds?
Almonds, yes. Almonds and...
Acha, don't tell. Nobody wants to know. So there you can see Path is actually shooting behind. Kidhar hai? Dikh nahi raha. Udhar, somewhere there he's shooting. And of course, Nooreen thinks it's very cold right now. So she's come and she sat inside the car already. What's up? Thand lag rahi hai? How do you like the car? How's it? How's it?
एक second.
Is it fast? Is it smooth? How's the ride quality? Is the build quality good? Is the
it's good as per my imagination. Let's see if reality क्या है.
So let's get driving. What is the delay? Half vlog is done, which means the driving vlog of the Harrier manual is. मैं Harrier बोलता रहता हूँ. Harrier ही लगती है. Actually Safari manual का आधा vlog हो गया, driving vlog हो गया. Walk around करना है, थोड़ी pictures लेने हैं. अभी इन दोनों cars के साथ थोड़ी pictures लूँगा. And then we start driving the automatic. I think the day is going to be not that long because since it's a Harrier Pro Max, मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ prepare करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. But you tell me, how did you like the car? सच बोलना.
यार second gear में बहुत झटके लग रहे थे.
Second gear में झटके लगे. That's called Sport Drive Mode. Activating.
That is not called Sport Drive Mode.
See, actually there's so much G-force and the performance now. She's not able to, witness or understand the performance because there's so much G-force on offer from the car. One vlog done and now on to the next one. So white गाड़ी पे पूरा काम खत्म हो गया. थोड़ी बहुत photos बाकी है. Now we're going to jump into the blue, green, whatever that color is because that is the automatic. Automatic में इतना मज़ा नहीं है. Slightly slower है but more convenient to drive of course. You can hear the diesel engine. Insulation is there but still the diesel engine is quite vocal. And right now Nooreen is just trying to figure out how she can get better pictures. What happened to you? Why are you so upset today?
Because you...
Now she's blaming me for bad pictures. First and foremost, if you look, how you look, that's how the camera captures.
Yeah, right. I have ugly pictures of yours as well.
Chal jhuti. Okay, the vlogs of both the cars have been done. Feel so happy and satisfied. But अभी थोड़ा बहुत reels shoot करते हैं. गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा होगी. 12 बजे इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी होगी. And wherever you go, people stop to actually see the car because Safari and Anam, it's working. Tata Motors, it's working. So how do you like the car? Other than the fact you keep struggling with the electronic parking brake all the time. कैसी लगी?
It's good. Amongst all the Tata cars I've driven, मुझे सबसे अच्छी ये लगी.
Yeah, the new Tata cars are amazing, you know. I love the Nexon EV. So powerful, so much punch. You accelerate,
no,
you
I
fly.
like it more than Nexon.
Obviously, this costs twice as much. Almost, yeah. But obviously, it's not a Safari. वो GLS खड़ी है सामने. दिख रही है white color की GLS?
हाँ, दिख रही है. हम GLS में जा रहे हैं ना, GLS के पास.
What's up, Dhanil?
Yes.
What are you guys sleeping together or something?
No, there's this tunnel between us.
वो तो सब समझ रहा हूँ मैं कौन सी टनल है किधर है टनल. Actually these guys ना they are lying down so that they don't come photo bombing the photo
frame actually. And we are tired.
Finally all the shoot is done. I did some kick-ass reels as well and we did the slalom test with the Thar. मज़ा आ गया चला के Thar. मतलब इतना मज़ा आता है Thar की अलग ही swag. In fact I'm thinking I should get one as well but I'm waiting for the hard top convertible. Short है vlog आज का. काफ़ी ज़्यादा short है because I didn't get much time. बहुत जल्दी में था. I was hoping that I'll reach home by 11 o'clock. Take a nap as well, but I don't think any of that is going to happen because edit करना है काफ़ी सारा काम है. So I'm just going to stop for right now, head back home, take a chill pill, and then maybe work out in the evening, go to the gym. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला. कोविड चल रहा है बॉस. Today is Sunday, tomorrow the embargo of the Safari breaks, but Tata actually sent a small gift and along with a full packaged lunch, dinner actually. इतना ज़्यादा खाना था 4 दिन तक चला फिर भी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ. That's the level of food they had sent. So they were like, you know, we'll do the launch online and then you can have dinner with your family. So sort of an event mixture like how they usually do. But अलग तरीके से गया, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी नाइस. बट नाउ आई जस्ट फिनिश द एडिट ऑफ द व्लॉग ताकि कल वो जा सके. आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ व्लॉग ऑन दिस कार, द मारुति बलेनो विच इज़ मोटरबीम्स प्रोजेक्ट कार. मेरे पास काफ़ी टाइम से खड़ी हुई है, टाइम नहीं मिला. अब मैं जाके शांति से इसका व्लॉग खत्म हुआ. लाइट थोड़ी जा रही है तो नीड टू हरी अप. हमेशा ऐसे ही तो होता है. वॉक अराउंड इज डन बट एवरीवन इज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट सो द बॉल इज कंटिन्यूसली कमिंग इन हिटिंग द ब्यूटीफुल प्रोजेक्ट कार विच मीन्स दैट वी हैव टू रश फ्रॉम हियर बिकॉज ड्राइविंग वाला पार्ट करना है. सन इज गोइंग डाउन. हाउ डू लाइक द कार?
यार अभी तक ड्राइव नहीं किया. Once I drive, I'll tell you how it
She
is.
just wants to drive every time. But how's the audio system?
Audio system is fine. It's very good.
And the sound of the car?
वो भी अच्छी है यार.
Located है, वो भी अच्छी है यार. ऐसे बोलती है जैसे कि मतलब जब तक मैं चलाने नहीं दूँ, she can't give an opinion. Can you come a little bit behind so I can show people the car? They've already seen it. It looks lovely. Although the lights could be better to be honest. The headlights really suck on the old Baleno.
Oh my god, इसका steering wheel कितना hard है. Oh my god, ये कोई go kart से चुरा के लाए क्या? Okay. Can you just take it off my face? क्या?
How is it?
अभी तक तो अच्छी है. It's actually giving me a go kart feeling. The steering wheel, you know, and इतना कम ground clearance, everything. It's like just go karting वाला feeling आ रही है. और ये जैसे दिखती है उससे तो way better है ड्राइव करने में. मतलब it's a sleeper car. दिखने में बहुत ऐसे पुरानी खटारा.
एक सेकंड, दिखने में खटारा नहीं लगती, पुरानी जरूर लगती है. खटारा बिल्कुल नहीं लगती.
Yeah, if you say so.
ड्राइविंग फील मस्त है ना?
हाँ, ड्राइविंग इज अमेजिंग. लेकिन यार गर्मी, बहुत गर्मी. नो एसी, इसलिए तो खटारा बोला मैंने. एसी ही नहीं है इसमें.
एसी है, मैंने अभी ऑफ रखा हुआ है इसी ताकि ऑडियो आ सके. ऑडियो आ सके.
अच्छा कुछ भी.
इधर सीधा.
There's no AC. एसी नहीं है और गाड़ी के अंदर धूल भी है. You want me to give frank feedback? No nepotism. Look at me just crawling over the speed breaker.
So honestly, do you like it?
अरे एक सेकंड नहीं होता ड्राइव करके. डू यू लाइक इट? बताओ. हाउ डू यू फील द कार? हाउ डू यू थिंक? सबर, वेट, जस्ट वेट.
डू यू लाइक द कार और नॉट? सिंपल क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, बताओ ना, अच्छी लगी या नहीं लगी?
ओके यार, ड्राइविंग फील इज वेरी अमेजिंग. दिखने में लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, आई डिडंट लाइक इट अ लॉट.
तो वो तो आप चेंज करवा सकते अपने हिसाब से. मतलब इट्स नॉट टू एवरीवनस लाइकिंग.
आई डिड नॉट लाइक द हेडलाइट्स, लाइक ब्लैक हेडलाइट्स. आई डोंट लाइक द फैक्ट दैट alloys को भी पूरा ब्लैक कलर कर दिया. सो इट्स लाइक लुक एंड फील not good, but drive feel amazing.
So अभी क्या हो गया ना, you're comparing with modern car, number 1. Number 2, since you like the driving feel of this car, I'm ready to sell this car to you for rupees 10 lakhs.
और बेचो.
10 लाख में मैं आपको रेडी हूँ बेचने के लिए.
Yeah, right. Last time I regret it.
First gear.
Why?
And full throttle, full, go. अब शुरू मैं करूँ?
No, I was just waiting for it to red line.
That 6,500 वाली RPM वाली feeling.
Yeah.
And then speed breaker comes.
And then get into crawl mode. Like crawl.
No.
This is like ridiculous. मैं ऐसे कर रही हूँ honk and then I realize कि इसका तो बाहर अलग से है. पता नहीं कौन सा honk है. Oh
See,
God.
basic idea
इसका
is
अलग से मैनुअल आना चाहिए. When you drive this car, please don't drive like a normal car because आप honk बीच में करोगे, इसका honk अलग से होगा.
basically in my quest to reduce noise pollution, I have removed the horn button from the steering wheel.
Noise pollution reduce करना है, फिर भी इसका exhaust इतना आवाज करता है. वाह.
सबको बता दो स्कीम, सबको बता दो स्कीम.
वाह बेटे वाह.
What a fantastic experience driving the Motorbeam project car. It is so much fun. Every time I drive it, now I'm in a different zone altogether. It's like a drug, honestly, but drugs are not good. So I will not call it a drug. I'll just say it's an addiction. Fantastic, lovely, great work by the Motorbeam team in building this car. Of course, with the help of DNO Motorsports and Omkar especially. If you like this vlog, make sure to give it a thumbs up, that's a like button, and also subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video real soon. Bye bye. Fuel भराना भी क्योंकि empty हो गया obviously. इतना रेव जो किया है.
First girl, congratulations.